geez. I should have just stepped over that. That thing's heavy. All right. I believe it's down to go up. Here we go. Is it going to stop? I might have to stop it. Oh, I got nervous there. There's actually a floor above, but it looks a little closed off, so I'm just going to not go there. All right. Here we go. Back down. Oh, I forgot, you can always just pull the middle rope to stop. Oop, pull it all the way. There we go. Look at that. That's a funny sign. You move vertically on this elevator as rapidly as you would walk horizontally. They're not wrong. Don't worry, I'm over 18. And I believe there's a basement, but we're just going to stop. Yes, you can pull this middle rope and stop the elevator. We'll get a look at what's over here. Kiechefer. All right, back up. Oh, there's stuff on that side too. Whoop, I still got a ways to go. Close enough. All the ropes aren't exactly easy to get exact with the floor. Anyway, this will be the end of the video.